everybody, welcome to my page. My name is Michael Bonomo, and in this video, I'm going to tell you on how you can cruise for practically nothing. All you have to do is pay taxes and port fees. It's how I've taken my last 4 cruises that I've gotten comped through the casino. Now I'm going to try and keep this video short and sweet, not super long, because I'll probably get lost in my mind explaining all this stuff, but I want to show you this. Please like and subscribe to this channel if you do like cruise videos, travel videos. If you like this video, I have some other videos on my page, which I'm on the Virgin Voyages, Valiant Lady, Freedom of the Seas, Symphony of the Seas. All right, here we go. Look at all these cruise offers, all right? They are all cruise offers that I get mailed, okay? You open them up, it gives you dates, it gives you cruises that you could take. All you have to do is pay taxes and port fees. So I can redeem one cruise in every single one of these offers. So if I wanted to cruise back to back to back to back and just keep going, I could do that. And it would probably be for 2 people, about $350 each cruise I take. You can't beat that. Now, the way to do this, the way I've gotten all of these offers, is I started gambling a little bit in the casino. I don't go to the casino on a cruise ship looking to win thousands of dollars. Yes, that would be great. We all want to win some money, but that's not the goal. The goal is to start getting these offers. And the way to start getting these offers is to gamble about 1 hour to 2 hours a day in the casino. Now, you're thinking, well, that's a lot of time. It's really not. It flies by when you're doing it. I usually do it when my girlfriend's asleep. I come down and that's when I gamble. But you play low limit slot machines. You do 40, 50. This is what I do. 40, 50, 60 cents on a spin. And I start earning these points. And I look for slot machines that are low volatility that'll keep me playing. Now, higher volatility, you're not going to get a lot of line hits. Okay, maybe the bonuses might be big. If you can hit one, it takes forever to hit one on a machine like that. Like Huff and Puff, you know? It's the devil. Or Buffalo. I can't stand it. But do low limit slot machines, okay? And keep yourself playing in the casino. That's the way to do it. Now, we've taken 4 Royal Caribbean cruises and 1 Virgin Voyages cruise. And all but 1 have been comped through the casino. First one, we went on Anthem. I didn't know anything about the casino program, had no idea. I don't know why. I should have, but I didn't. So I didn't gamble at all. The second cruise I started on Symphony of the Seas, I started gambling, and eventually I reached Prime status. Now, when you reach Prime status on Royal Caribbean, you start getting some more offers, better offers. You get a free 7-night cruise that you could take for a year. There's a couple of exclusion dates, but you could take a free or discount, whatever. Free cruise, you get 7 nights, and you get free drinks in the casino. So reaching Prime has a lot of benefits. But even if you don't reach Prime at 2,500 points, just say you're at 900 points, you're gonna get cruise offers, because that's when I started getting them. Now, I mentioned that I went on a Virgin Voyages cruise, Valiant Lady. Totally free through the casino. Now, how did I get a free cruise through Virgin? Well, I went on their website. I went to their casino page. I uploaded most of these offers, took a screenshot of the best offers I got, and a day later, they sent me back something that said, which one of these cruises would you like to take? A 5 or a 7-night cruise? I got to pick one. We had to pay taxes and port fees, which I think total was $430 each. I'm sorry, $430 total. So super cheap. $430 for 2 people in an inside cabin, and it was free. So we got to experience Virgin Voyages. Now, on Virgin Voyages, when I went on that cruise, I think I gambled maybe $300 in the casino. And last month, they sent me another offer. So they don't send offers like this, but I hardly gambled, and they sent me another free cruise through the casino. I've been offered cruises through Princess, 10 to 14 night cruise, MSC. So it pays to gamble a little bit. Don't lose all your cruise money. Don't lose all your travel money. But if you can gamble a little bit of time, this is well worth it. So it's been well worth it for me. So we have our Prime cruise coming up in November, which is going to be Odyssey of the Seas out of New Jersey, going to the Bahamas. We've done that itinerary already, but I live in Pittsburgh, so it's a lot easier to just drive there as opposed to flying to Florida. So I want to try Odyssey, so we're going to do that. I'm going to have video of that. Hopefully you guys are liking the other videos, watching the other videos. It's a lot of stupidity. I'm a bit of an idiot. Bear with me. This video here, though, is hopefully helpful, and you guys can book some free or discounted rate cruises when you start doing this. And I know there's some of you watching this video that have already done it. You know, I get it. But this is for the people that don't understand that you could do that. So it works. If you have any questions, comments, please leave me something. I will try and answer every single one. I appreciate you guys watching this, guys and girls. And have a great day. All right.